Solve the absolute value equation. The absolute value of 4x plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 4. Let's start by isolating this absolute value quantity. So subtract 5 from both sides. That gives the absolute value of 4x plus 3 is equal to 4 minus that 5 is a negative 1. Now let's stop right there. Here we have a problem. This equation indicates that the absolute value of a quantity is equal to a negative number. Since absolute value represents a distance from 0 on the number line, it cannot be negative. It's either going to be 0 or a positive number. So this equation is a contradiction. There is no solution to it. So let's summarize that by saying that the solution set is the empty set.